It's really exciting for me today to be here in the same village that I saw them 4 years ago, and I must say that when I was here the first time, they were really miserable. In fact, it wasn't the same house they're in now. The walls were falling apart, the mother was extremely traumatized, the son was very small and frail and malnourished, and it's amazing to come several years later and to see the transformation in their lives. You don't know what to do? Always ask. It's okay. You can ask anytime. Don't be afraid to ask.
Come, you can do it. But make sure that the bolt and the washer are on the outside.
Well, today we're in Avega, in Ramagana town, Ramagana district, and building bikes for the disadvantaged women and children in this area. And well, we're proud to be involved, you know, through Starbucks. We're very happy to support that.
Not bad. Only close. Show her with your hand.
Nyonga, nyonga, zamura.
This way.
Seen that the use of a bicycle can enrich their lives in ways that I think an American couldn't even begin to imagine in terms of their earning potential, because now they can get to jobs. It helps them secure health care in terms of being able to get to clinics, or conversely having clinicians come to patients to visit them to drop off ARVs and food and medical supplies and things like that. It's made a huge difference in a lot of people's lives.
Turashimira Foundation Rwanda ibinyujije muri safu ku inkunga idahwema mu kudufashiriza abana bacu mu bijyanye n'imyigire yabo. Also like to
Ndishimye cyane kuko no muri ngengera birandenze kubona n'umwana wanjye duteye imbere tukabona igare rwose Imana izabaho umugisha.
What did you think when you saw this morning that we're going to build bicycles and give you a bicycle?
Kwishima rero impamvu nishimye nuko nabonye amagare ari ngati haleluya amen. Azajya mfasha urugendo rwo kujya kwiga.